think about how you would act when a nigga got money. Now you done switched up on me.
Disclaimer, I'm not a lash technician. Hi goddesses, welcome to this video. So in this video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on my lashes. In my last video, or my latest video, I had said in this video, if you goddesses want me to do my lash tutorial and show you how I do my lashes. So I am going to show you all the products that I'm going to be using in this video and show you the technique. So this is going to be my third time doing my lashes, and to be honest with y'all, when I did it the first time, I was kind of shooketh on my self-care vlog. That was the second time I had did it, or was it the first? Anyway, let's just get into it. So first and foremost, I want to sit here and say anything that I'm showing you in this video, I will put in the link in the description so you goddesses can purchase your own and all that and more. So I'm going to show you everything that I am using. Excuse kind of like how it looks a little bit. I had bought this at like Walmart or something like that. So it comes with the lash holder. That is what I'm going to be using in order to put the lashes on, and it does come with lash adhesive like glue. So when I use this glue, it kind of fucked up my lashes and whatnot, so I do not use that glue. This is the glue that I use. I use this glue right here, strip lash adhesive with biotin and blueberry latex free. So one of the things that I'm gonna tell y'all the difference from this bottle that comes with the lashes and then what I purchased, this was hard. It took me like a week to get this stuff off on my eyelashes. Definitely get lash remover, that is going to help you. But like with this, I don't have lash remover. I actually use this, and I've been using this for about 4 years now. It really doesn't do much damage to my lashes at all. So obviously any type of glue, you're gonna lose some lashes. This shit almost destroyed my fucking lashes. It's with biotin as well as blueberry. I feel like I just like rambled so much just now. Okay. So before we jump right into it, I have a clean brush for my lashes because I want to like roll them out, and then I have my lash curler. So we're gonna get into it. I'm going to do this first. So I literally cleaned off one of my old mascara bottles and cleaned off this brush, and I do this because I want the glue to touch each lash. Okay, so as you can see, these are my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl them real quick. So this is the first time I decided to curl my lashes. I just wanted to see if it would like make my lashes look even curlier when I put them on, and then I brushed them out one more time, and that is all my lashes. So now we're gonna put the adhesive glue on. So because this is a tutorial, I am going to put the glue on each eye. I would suggest doing one eye at a time because it's gonna be like easier for you when you're just starting. So now I'm going to put the lashes on. This is very important. Do not put it on your waterline. Put it only on the lashes like you see me doing right there. And the reason to that is because if you put it on your waterline, it's going to be very irritating. Also, I put glue on each lash and blow them, and then go to put them on, and that is the first set of my lashes looking nice. So again, I just want to reiterate this, make sure to put it on your lashes. Now it will get very tacky, so sometimes I use my finger to move it, because you'll see right there my clip that I'm using to put it on is like really gluey. So remember to wipe that off, and again, put it on your lashes. Do not put it on your waterline, because I'm telling you, you will be so irritated and you're gonna want to rip them off. So just put it on your lash. Take your time. Of course, the first couple of times is gonna be hard. I do use my fingers sometimes to just like move it into place and just put it on just like that. It's pretty simple and pretty easy, but of course the more and more that you practice, it's gonna look good like this. Okay, bitch, seamless. Look at those lashes. Where are the flossies? Nowhere to exist. Where, bitch, where? Okay, we killed it. Yeah, period. Like, I'm really loving this look. I feel like it works for my face. It's not too bold. It's very like simple. But again, this is my third time. Like, I'm not a lash technician, okay, for one. So I don't know if I said that disclaimer. I'm not a lash technician, okay? This is just a goddess that's just trying to be a goddess, you know what I'm saying? a baddie, but on a budget, point blank period. This is, I feel like, the year that I'm really gonna get into my bag on my own, of like just doing stuff on my own, because I'm like, how much it costs to get lashes done is kind of, you have to have a budget for it, which is not for me right now. So I want to be a bad bitch and I want to do it on my own, and it looks really good. I'm not gonna say it looks professional, but my thing is, it's seamless. Anyway, this is the third time that I have done this. I hope this video helps you goddesses so much, and I hope you come out looking like a baddie. So definitely tune into the next video, because we're doing the whole thing. We're doing our lashes, we already did our hair. Definitely check out my Bantu Night Clay hair mask video when it comes to natural hair. So definitely tune in on that, because we getting it before 2024. It is 2023. This is a time to get in our own motherfucking bag and look like a baddie into 2024, and we can do it on our own. Okay, with that being said, if you have yet to like this video, like this video. If you actually have like my technique and my tutorial and all that and more, definitely leave a comment down below. Just communicating with you goddesses, like on real shit. Like I love it when you guys comment. Like literally, I don't care if it's 1 or 2 people. Somebody comment lash tech on one of my videos and I said I'm gonna do it. So with that being said, I hope this helps you goddesses. I love you. Do not forget to love on that like button, as well as subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I love you goddesses, and yeah.
Always spin my head around. I've been looking for it. I've been running out of space.